boys and girls, how are you? My name is Trini and today we are going to do a DIY. We are going to do this beautiful t-shirt using just a t-shirt and your favorite colors. Are you ready? Let's go! You need a white t-shirt or a t-shirt with a plain color, preferably if it's white, yellow. Later, you're going to need colors, different colors. You also need an iron. You also need scissors, a sharpener, and papers. And in one of the papers, you are going to do a beautiful picture. In my case, if you realize, I have done a fish because I'm going to put the fish on my t-shirt. You can do it drawing, or you can look for a picture on the internet and print it or copy it like I did. So now what we are going to do is we are going to cut this, and you can do it in two different ways, okay? I'm going to explain you the first and probably the simple way. You can take your scissors, very good, and you can start cutting all around the picture, okay? You can start cutting all around the picture, okay? And you can put the picture, okay? And then we will have all the colors around here. Very good, that will be an idea. The second option, okay, it's the opposite. You can start with the scissors cutting inside. Very good. And then we will put the colors inside the picture. Yes, so think about which idea you prefer. I'm going to start cutting my fish, okay? And I'm going to cut it inside. Okay, like that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this part and I'm going to cut this and this. Yes, daddies and mummies, now you have to help your children, okay? Very good. We are going to start. Let's go. First of all, we're going to take a paper, or in this case, I took this, okay, because it's a little bit thicker, and we are going to put it in the middle of the t-shirt. Now, you have to take your template and you are going to put it on the place where you want to fix the picture. And now we are going to start with a sharpener. We are going to start using it and to throw in there all the color, like that. Okay, you see, now I've got all my colors put on the t-shirt. Now we are going to prepare the iron. And be careful, because as it's very, very hot, you need the help of your parent. we are going to put a paper on the top of the t-shirt. Now we are going to use the iron. Please be careful, tell your parents to help you, okay? And we are going to press to fix our picture. So, look at that! I've got already my t-shirt printed with my beautiful fish. Yeah, well, this is not a real t-shirt for me. This is for my son. So now you are going to see him wearing the t-shirt. Look at him. He is so happy with his new t-shirt. And he is ready to use it to go to the beach and to play in the street. What about your t-shirt? For sure that it's very beautiful. So, bye-bye. I see you next time, and remember to subscribe, and if you like the video, thumbs up.